In this lesson, we are going to be learning some syncopated strum patterns. What makes a strum pattern syncopated is when we emphasize the up strum rather than the down strum. And in order to do that, sometimes we're going to be missing the strings on the way down, even though we're doing a downward strum motion. Go ahead and click on the link in the description of this video. You're going to find a printed version of this lesson with all of the strum patterns that we will be learning. So go ahead and look at strum pattern number 9. Now this is a continuation from the other 8 strum patterns that we learned in lesson 4. Strum pattern number 9 is all up strums, and that's just so we can get used to missing on the way down. And by the way, that's what that little letter M means. It means to miss the strings while you're doing a downward strum. I'll be using a C chord for all of these examples. And strum pattern number 9 should sound like this. Miss up, 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 miss up. If you're counting along, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Strum pattern number 10 simply adds a little bit to number 9, and here's what it sounds like. Down, up, miss, up, miss, up, miss, up, down, up, miss, up, miss, up, miss, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Pattern number 11 adds even more. Down, up, miss, up, down, up, miss, up, down, up, miss, up, down, up, miss, up. One and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Pattern number 12 sounds like this. Down, up, miss, up, down. Down, up, miss, up, down. One and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Number 13. Down, up, miss, up, down, up, down, up, miss, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Number 14. Down, up, miss, up, down. Down, up, miss, up, down. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. And this all leads up to strum pattern number 15. Strum pattern number 15, in my opinion, is the most common strum pattern in the history of guitar strumming or ukulele strumming. So it's very important that you learn this strum pattern, because once you do, you will be able to learn many, many, many different songs. So strum pattern number 15 goes like this. Down, up, miss, up, down, up, down, up, miss, up, down, up. One, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I will put timestamps to all of these strum patterns so you can go right to the one that you need to work on. Feel free to, at any time, pause the video when you need to work on a specific strum pattern over and over again. And be patient with yourself, because these are not easy patterns. They take a long time to learn. But once you have strum pattern 15 mastered, let's go ahead and try it with a song. Let's try it with the song Michael Finnegan. I really like this song because every time you repeat it, you're supposed to do it a little bit faster, so you get better and better with your strum pattern. Now this could go with any of the patterns that we've learned so far, but I really like it with 15. So maybe the first time that you watch this, just watch and listen. The next time you watch it, try to sing the song with me. Once you've got that down, just strum along with the video. And then once you've got that down and you feel comfortable, try singing and strumming along with me. I'll also put a timestamp to where I begin the song so you can go back to it easily. So here is Michael Finnegan. There once was a man named Michael Finnegan. He had whiskers on his chin again. They grew out and then grew in again. Poor old Michael Finnegan. Begin again. There once was a man named Michael Finnegan. He had whiskers on his chin again. They grew out and then grew in again. Poor old Michael Finnegan. Begin again. There once was a man named Michael Finnegan. He had whiskers on his chin again. They grew out and then grew in again. Poor old Michael Finnegan. Begin again. There once was a man named Michael Finnegan. He had whiskers on his chin again. They grew out and then grew in again. Poor old Michael Finnegan. Then don't begin again if it's too fast. And maybe you'll get so good at this that you'll be able to play it even faster than that. But if not, don't worry. Like I said, these strum patterns take a long time to get really good at. So be patient with yourself. Practice a little bit every day. And just like I said in lesson 4, you don't even need a ukulele to practice these strum patterns. You can practice anywhere at any time. Just strum the side of your pant leg. And that can work just fine. So, have fun practicing your strum patterns. As always, I'm Mr. Klotz, reminding you to keep on making music.